Good morning students. Today I am going to explain about volume of three-dimensional figure. In the previous class I had already discussed about perimeter and area of some two-dimensional figure. So in class 8 you should know about cuboid, cube and cylinder. So in this video I have explained about the volume of cuboid, cube and cylinder. In the next video I am going to explain the surface areas of these three figures. Now first, what is volume? Volume is the amount of space occupied by a 3D object. Now the formula of volume of this three figure. First one is cuboid. So volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. Length into breadth. This is the area of its base into height. So volume of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height, or we can say that it is equal to area of its base into height. Similarly, volume of cube is equal to age into age into age. What is the difference between cuboid and cube? In cuboid, length, breadth, height are different, but in cube, all these are same. So length is equal to h, breadth is equal to h and height is equal to h. So we can say that cube is equal to h cube. And in cylinder, the volume is equal to pi r square h, where pi r square is the area of a circle, and in a cylinder, the base is a circle. So we can say that area of base into height is the volume of a cylinder. When we write the answer, the unit should remember the unit of volume is cubic unit. For example, centimeter cube, meter cube, etc. Another important unit of volume is liter, not liter cube, only liter. And there is a relation between liter and centimeter cube and liter and meter cube. You should remember these two relations. The relations are 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube and 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. Now with the help of this three formula, we are going to solve some questions of exercise 9.3. First question. The volume of a cube whose area of one face is 64 centimeters square. Cube means it has 6 faces and all the face is equal to a square. So area of face is 64 centimeters square. So we can say that a square is equal to 64, which means a is equal to 8 centimeter. Now what is its volume? Its volume is equal to h cube. Here h is equal to 8. So 8 cube, that is equal to 512 centimeter cube. Now another type of question. Suppose the question is like this. A cube of 9 centimeter age is immersed completely in a rectangular vessel containing water. If the dimensions of the base are 15 centimeter and 12 centimeter, what is the rise in water level? Always remember, volume of water rise in vessel, that is equal to volume of solid. किसी भी जगह पर अगर ये पानी वाटर से फिल है और वहाँ पर कोई भी सॉलिड हम रख रहे हैं तो उसका वाटर लेवल बढ़ जाएगा. कितना बढ़ेगा? That is equal to volume of the solid which is immersed in the water. So let rise in water level be h. Now suppose this is the figure. This is a rectangular vessel. This is a cube. This is the original height of the water before immersing this cube. Now when this cube is immersed completely, the water level is increased by h centimeter. So this height is equal to h. Now just now I am telling you volume of water rise is equal to volume of solid. Here volume of solid, that means volume of cube. Volume of cube is equal to 9 centimeter age. So volume of cube is equal to 9 cube. And volume of rise in water. Volume of water rise in vessel, that is equal to since the figure is a rectangular vessel, so the volume is equal to volume of a rectangle, length into breadth into height, where length and breadth are given. Length is equal to 15 centimeter and breadth is equal to 12 centimeter. So 15 into 12 into height. Now this to volume are same. So we can say that 15 into 12 into h, that is equal to 9 cube or 9 into 9 into 9. So from this equation we will find the height, (81/20), that is equal to 4.05 centimeter. Now let us take one example of cylinder. The volume of a metallic cylindrical pipe is 748 centimeter cube. The volume of a cylinder, we know that pi r squared h. Now, since it is a pipe, cylindrical pipe, that means it is a hollow cylinder. Now, what is the volume of a hollow cylinder? Volume of a hollow cylinder, that is equal to volume of the external cylinder minus volume of the inner cylinder. So pi capital R square h minus pi small r square h. Capital R is the external radius, small r is the internal radius. So from this we can take pi and h common. So final formula is volume of a hollow cylinder, that is equal to pi capital R square minus small r square h, where r is external radius, small r is inner radius. Thickness, the thickness of the pipe, that is equal to r external minus internal radius, and h be the height. So since it is a metallic cylinder, that means it is a hollow cylinder, its volume is given, that is 748. 748 is the volume. So volume, that is equal to 748 centimeter cube, and length 14 centimeter. Length 14 centimeter means height is equal to 14 centimeter. External radius, that is equal to 9 centimeter given. We are going to find out the thickness. Thickness means external radius minus internal radius. So to find thickness, first we have to find out r, small r. Now by using the formula, pi capital R square minus small r square into h, that is volume of a hollow cylinder, that is equal to 748, pi 22/7, capital R square, 9 square minus small r square, small r we are going to find it, h is equal to 14, that is equal to 748, 7 2s are 14, so 9 square minus r square is equal to 748 upon 22 and 2. So 2, 374, again by 11, 11 2s are 22, 11 3s are 33, 4, 2, 17. So we can say that 9 square minus r square is equal to 17. Therefore, r square is equal to 9 square is 81 minus 17, that is equal to 64. So r is equal to under root of 64, that is equal to 8 centimeter. We have to find out the thickness of this pipe. So thickness is equal to external radius, which is equal to 9 centimeter, minus internal radius, which is equal to 8 centimeter. So thickness is equal to 1 centimeter. So in this way, we can find any type of questions related to this formula. So remember, learn all these three formula and the unit and its relation. That's all for today. Thank you, class.